Edo Deputy Governor Right Honourable Comrade Philip Shaibu don tok say the meeting wey PDP leaders hold for Edo North with former Deputy Governor Chief Oghiadomhe on Monday 8 January 2024 na insult on im person and office as the sitting Deputy Governor of the state, and so the meeting dey invalid and cancelled. Shaibu yarn this one when he dey address the large crowd of supporters for im hometown for Jatu Esako West Local Government after the Auchide annual celebration. According to Shaibu, information reach am say Chief Oghiadomhe and Eda for their party call one meeting of PDP leaders from the 6 local governments of Edo North for im hometown for Fuga, Esako Central Local Government, and come dey pressure them to endorse one of the aspirants for the forthcoming governorship primary election for the state.
To celebrate with Taro and the people of Auchide. I can see the organic support that we received. I want to thank all of you. And I want to assure all of you that God is in this project. And by the grace of God, we are going to win the primaries. And by the grace of God, we are going to win the election. There were some leaders that met in Oghiadomhe's house today. I want to advise them. They should not provoke the will of the people. My advice for them, they should not provoke the will of the people. Because when the people are provoked, it will be difficult to hold them. I'm just advising. Was the deputy governor of Edo State that will contest or do any meeting without Oghiadomhe. I remember my encounter with the governor there. He said they should go and meet Oghiadomhe. And the PDP is a leadership party. You cannot call a meeting. As far as Edo State is concerned, the governor by convention is the leader of the party. And the deputy governor is the deputy leader of the party. And the leader as far as Edo North is concerned. And that is why Oghiadomhe must sanction any meeting, must put a hand in any meeting when he was deputy governor. I remember the primaries of House of Assembly that took place in 2023. It was done in his house where Oghiadomhe emerged. You remember? So I want to just advise him. I respect him and I don't want to disrespect him. He should please, as an elder, be doing things according to what he has done before. He must respect his institution. Him as deputy governor, he knows the rules. He has acted as deputy governor in these roles before. Now I am deputy governor. Failure to get my endorsement in that meeting, he knows it's an aberration. And for me, it's an insult on the institution of the deputy governor that he once represented. Check all of them that sat on that table. Check all of them. Check, they should give us their results. From 2016, let me start from 2016, and then give us their results. We have won popular elections. We have never rigged an election. We win popular election. I won election in 2003 year, and Oghiadomhe had to from Fuga come with security and everything to want to rig election here. You remember what you did to him that time? Now he's provoking our anger. I'm sending this message to him. He should please not provoke the will of the people. He cannot be speaking on behalf of Edo North. He cannot. He doesn't have that authority. He does not have that authority. So I want to appeal to all of you. Be calm. Be calm. Let's continue to do our campaigns. It's our own. Because we have the popular organic support. We are not procuring you. We are not buying you. We don't buy you. When you hear from me, you always rush out because of your support. And have I ever failed you? I will not fail you. So, as far as we are concerned, that meeting does not exist. It's null and void. And a proper meeting will be convened. And that proper meeting, we have the endorsement of the deputy governor. We have the endorsement of South chairman of the PDP and vice chairman national. We have the endorsement of our leadership and the endorsement of all our LJ chairman and ward chairman. That is the proper meeting that we are going to be calling. And in that meeting, you will hear the direction and what we need to do. For us, it's unity. We want to unite the party. Winning primaries is one leg, but winning the general election is more important. And the only way we can win primaries and win the general election is when we unite. And that is why I'm saying, ignore what they have done. Don't be provoking, even when they are provoking us. Don't be so. We need everybody on board. We need everybody on board to unite and win the general election. They are trying to cause division. They are not showing leadership. They are provoking anger. But we will not provoke anger. We will not do what? Provoke anger. Instead, we will politic, win, and bring all of them on board for us to win the general election.
Make not forget say, as we see him, no so we dey talk am. We know they take blame. From Issaquah, West Edo State, Ekata Ojeseli, TMC TV News.